how to log out of a Pokemon TCG Pocket. So first of all, click the three bars at the bottom right, and then what you're gonna do, go ahead and click Other. You can click right here your account, and basically what you're gonna do, you could just go ahead and click Delete Save Data. Alright, if you delete your save data, you will lose all your data, including your record of play to this point. So you're gonna be able to you're gonna lose even the access to your account, even if you want to proceed with that option. All right, if you're willing to do that, you're gonna be able to do that from here. Another way of doing it, you could just go ahead to the settings, right, and not to the settings, sorry, you could go ahead to return to title screen, and then basically you're gonna be able to re-log in again. All right, so let me know in the comments let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.